Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now Sun is moving in your third house in the sign of Virgo. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your family history, your history is seen from second house, your character is also somehow is seen from second house along with first house and 10th house. Your savings, your money matters, your bank account is seen from second house, your upbringing, your family's wealth is also seen from second house. So right now your second house lord is moving in your third house. Second house also deal with your speech related matter and your food intake habits. So right now your second house lord is moving in your third house. Third house will deal with your communication. Third house will with your younger siblings. Third house will with your childhood friends, your neighbors, your cousins from third house. So right now second house lord is moving in your third house. So we can expect you may have good result regarding your money related matter and your cousins related matter and your friend circle related matter in the month of October because your second house lord is moving in your third house means second house lord is moving second places away from itself, and also Venus is also moving in your second house. Venus controls your 11th house and right now moving in the house of saving, in the house of wealth, and 11th house will be your gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your profit, your achievement, your friend circle, your PR also seen from 11th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your money related matter, regarding your family related matter, so your saving related matter in the month of October. Sun will stay in your third house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Libra. After 17th of October, you need to be take care of your mother's health, your home related matter, and your property related matter because fourth house deal with your mother's health, your mother's relationship, your property related matter, your comfort, your peace is also seen from fourth house, your blood pressure and your emotions is also seen from fourth house. So after 17th of October, you need to be take care of your emotions related matter, your mother's health and your relationship with your mother. Chances you may have to face some difficulties in the month of October, especially after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house. Right now Mercury is moving in your third house means right now Mercury is moving in its own sign, but Mercury is in combust position because Mercury is moving too close to Sun. Whenever any planet moving too close to Sun, it will be considered as in combust position. Sun is a very hot planet. Sun burned out the positive significance of planet. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter in the month of October, especially before 17th of October till Sun is moving in your third house, because third house will be your communication related matter, and as we discussed previously, Sun is also moving in your third house and Mercury is moving too close to Sun. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter when you're dealing with your cousins, your friends and your childhood friends. There are chances you may have to face argument confrontation in the month of October, especially before 17th of October. Mercury also controls your 12th house. 12th house deal with your isolation, your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house, your spirituality related matter, your ability to do donations is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house lord is also moving in your third house means 12th house lord is right now in a strong position because your 12th house lord is moving in its own sign in your third house. That's why previously we were saying that you need to be take care of your communication related matter because house of loss and house of expenses is also moving in your third house, and right now it's in combust position. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of October for all the Cancer Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Leo. 11th house deal with your money matters, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your elder siblings is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house, your achievements in life is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house lord and your 4th house, as we discussed previously, 4th house deal with your mother, your relationship with your mother's health is also seen from 4th house, your property related matter, your vehicle related matter, your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house. All the conveniences you have in your life is seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house lord and 11th house lord is moving in your second house. Second house, as we discussed previously, second house deal with your family, your savings, your money matter, your speech. As we discussed previously, in some sections you may have good result regarding your money related matter and your gains related matter in the month of October, as we discussed previously in some section. But you need to be take care of your family related matter and your family members related matter, because after 17th of October, when sun will move to your fourth house, there will be solar eclipse in your fourth house, and your fourth house lord is moving in your second house. So we can expect some disturbing result regarding your family related matter and your savings related matter and your money related matter. But after 17th of October, when sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Libra, so we can expect these results from Venus for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, moon controls your first house. Means moon is your ascendant lord, and right now moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house in transit during these days, also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon gets influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving there, any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your fifth house, and right now Mars is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Libra. Mars just moved into your fourth house from your third house on 4 October 2023. Before that, Mars was also moving in your third house, but right now Mars is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Libra. 10th house deal with your work environment, seen from 10th house, your career, your how far you can go in your career, seen from 10th house, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, your fame is also seen from 10th house. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, means still college life education is seen from 5th house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your love relationship is also seen from 5th house. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, your engagement is also seen from 5th house. So right now your 5th house lord and 10th house lord is moving in your fourth house. There are two things in the month of October you need to be keep in mind, is that first of all, 10th house lord is moving in your fourth house, and from fourth house Mars is expecting its own house, means 10th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your image related matter and your respect related matter in the society and your work environment, because your 10th house is right now in very strong position, because Rahu and Jupiter, both the planets which give very good result in 10th house, are right now moving in your 10th house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your career related matter and your fame related matter in the month of October. Also Mars controls your 5th house, and 5th house lord is moving in your fourth house, and 5th house lord is right now moving 12 places away from itself. If we count from 5th house, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, means your 5th house lord is moving 12 places away from itself. So this position is not considered as very well positioned in astrology. So you need to be take care of your love relationship, your children's related matter if you have children right now. If you have love relationship, then you need to be also take care of your love relationship in the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is just moved from your ascendant to your second house on 2nd October 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your fourth house, and Mars is just moved from your third house to your fourth house on 4th October 2023 in the sign of Libra. Major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your third house, and after 17th of October, Sun will also move to your fourth house in the sign of Libra. Mercury is right now moving in your third house, and after 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your fourth house in the sign of Libra. last and major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your fourth house in the month of October at 14th October 2023. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Cancer Ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.